Good evening. It's been so long since I've been on here. I feel like I abandoned you. I didn't. I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere. Okay. Obviously, I just got out of the shower because I decided I was going to take a nap. So I napped from like 5 to 7 this evening. And as you pop on, you need to say hello to me. Hello, Alicia. I think that's Alicia. Or is that? Nope. Yep, Alicia. I'm getting used to everybody's profile pictures. But I just got out of the shower. I'm feeling like uber fresh and clean and rejuvenated because I took a 2-hour nap and then, hi Katie, and then I decided I was going to take a shower and I scrubbed my body. I shaved my legs. That doesn't happen. I hate shaving my legs in the winter. I don't know why. I feel like it's just a waste of time. Whatever. Hey. So I was in the shower and nobody really seems to understand that like glam life is more than just makeup. And I wanted to share some fun products that I think everybody needs in their life, whether you're a man or a woman or a child or anybody. So the first one, and my skin's so soft right now. So this is my routine when I get in the shower, and my routine's gonna change a little bit once I get my package next week. Hello, Tessa and Steve. Okay, so this is a package. This is a package deal. Hold on. Where is it? I need to find something. Don't move. Okay. I just want to share with you this one. It's a group, and you don't have to buy it as a group, but it's like life-changing for your skin. It's amazing. Plus, look how glowing my skin is. There ain't no blemishes on this. No, there's not. Anyway, so the group I'm talking about is our new catalog. I'm not used to it. Where is it? Where are you? Are you in the back? Where are you? Where are you? It's our Renew Body Collection, is basically. There it is. There she is. Our Renew Body Collection. Comes with 3 products. Hello, Jenny. It's my favorite. It's $94. You save $20 by bundling the 3 products together. It's phenomenal. So you get a body cream, a body scrub, and an additional hand and body cream. So the first thing I do, because obviously you're in the shower, you gotta exfoliate, especially in these Minnesota winters. It's dry and nasty up here, and our skin's all flaky and falling off and floating around in the air. Nobody likes that, and come on, ladies, you wear leggings. We all wear leggings. And you know when you go to like adjust your leggings and you pick, this is gross, but you go to like adjust your legging and you grab your pants and then you release, and you can see dead skin cells like flying around up in the air. Like they just kind of expand out of there. So you need to exfoliate. And our Bamboo Renew, Lord, hello Britt and Travis. Bamboo Renew. These are all the old containers. I just opened these because I have too many things in my box. Okay, Bamboo Renew. You need this. Again, these are products that anybody can use. And you don't have to buy them as a set. You can buy them individually. But Bamboo Renew is my jam. This is a walnut shell body scrub. Hello, Amy. Hello, my new friend, too. It's a bamboo and lemongrass. It smells like a spa. You know, like, I don't know if you guys have ever done this, but you go to a spa and sometimes they do like a steam shower and it smells all heavenly and makes you want to fall asleep. That's what this is. It's a little bit more aggressive of a body scrub. It's made with bamboo and walnut shell powder, mimosa, flower, litsea, I believe that's how you say it, and these are all essential oils. They're amazing. I use this on my entire body. It's amazing for your feet. You got that dry, callous skin. This. But my favorite thing to do with it is I mix it. Oh, yep. I haven't mixed it with my skin polish, but I mix this with my Dream Clean, and I just rub it in little circles on my face. Now, the thing with body scrubs, though, is it says scrub. Let the scrub do the work. Don't scrub your skin with it. Don't get all aggressive and all up in your face. Your skin is super delicate on your face, and you don't want to damage it. You don't want to cause more wrinkles than are, hi, Deidre. you know, already eventually maybe in your future. You don't want to do that. So you want to be gentle with it. Light circles. Hello, Lynn. Light circles with the Bamboo Renew, especially on your face. But this, ladies and gents, is the holy grail of body scrubs. And I've tried body scrubs out there. I've tried everything. And this is, it's a little bit more aggressive. And also, heck, let's do a demo. I have to get my towel. So, because it has all the essential oils in it, I'm just gonna grab a little bit. That's too much. I'm not a product waster. Hello, Kaylee. This is what it does. So as you put it on, watch. Can you see that? It's falling all over. Shaving it, oh, right? Hello, Kevin. Sorry, you're watching my face again. It foams. It turns into this sudsy, beautiful scrub. And do you see how it sticks to my skin? Yeah, because, you know, when you're in the shower, you don't want body scrub all up, you know, all over your shower. You don't want that. Yeah, look at that. It just stays. And then you just do nice, light little strokes on your face. On your body, I'm a little bit more aggressive on the rest of my body, but nobody gets to see that. Hello, Kelly. Okay, so that's our body scrub. That's one of the 3 things that I use on a daily basis. Next up, I'm making such a mess. There's walnut shell powder everywhere. The next one that is in the collection, and I love this because I do not like super heavy lotion on my body. Like, you know, everybody shops at Bath & Body Works. At least 95% of the people I know shop at Bath & Body Works. Obviously, they do the, like, buy 3, get 3 free on their body washes, their lotions, everything, basically. It's like walking in and stealing from them is what it feels like. And I've always loved their lotion. However, it's too scented for me. As I've gotten older, I don't need all the scents. I don't want the scents. It's too nauseating. So I prefer something that's unscented, but I also want something that's a little heavier, especially with Minnesota winters. In the dry climate, you want something that's a little heavier. Welcome to my almost empty bottle of cream of the crop. Creme of the crop is what I like to call it. It's a hand and body cream. And what I love most about it is it's hydrating. It doesn't feel oily. My skin doesn't look like a lizard. It's not scaly. It's in a huge tub. I've had this for, oh Lord, probably longer than I should. I think you're only supposed to keep it for a year. And it's almost gone. It's almost gone. Hey. Hello, Heather. But this is my favorite. And as you can see, I just got out of the shower. And what I love to do is I immediately get out of the shower. You pat your skin. Pat it with a towel. You don't rub it because that irritates it and creates, you know, damaged skin and gets all flaky. So I pat it dry, and while my skin is still, like, I don't like using this word, but moist or damp. We'll use damp. Damp is way better. I put this all over my body. And it feels amazing. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. Like, usually, you know, like those heavy body creams, and we'll use Bath & Body Works as an example. They feel sticky. Like, my skin feels sticky. You go to put on, like, pants, especially jeans, you ain't getting them on. You might as well pretend that you gained 30 pounds, because that's how it is trying to get pants on after you put on body cream. No, this little gem. But yeah, no, after the shower when your skin's damp, plus you use way less product, it glides on. It's like a super silky lotion. Yeah, I really like this. It's my favorite, and I'm not gonna lie, when I first got it, I hated it because I didn't know how to properly apply it. I'm used to, you know, the cheap lotions. Hello, Uncle Keith. I'm used to the cheap lotions where, you know, you just slap it on and you go. Well, you don't need this. Hello, Tim. Oh, I have Bamboo Renew all up on me. But yeah, this is amazing hand lotion. My boyfriend loves it. I love it. I've sold it to many men as well as women. It's excellent for the wintertime. Especially like those that work outdoors. When your skin gets all dry and you're wearing Carhartt overalls and all that. Your skin gets dry. Everybody's skin gets dry and achy. So that is excellent. And you don't need to buy this as a trio. But now this last one is something that I I use sparingly because obviously it's not super dry in Minnesota like year round, but you don't need to use it just during those times. So last but not least, I'm going to just clean up this because it got fuzzies all over it. Don't know how that happened. Is our 40 Cure Creme. And it solves 40 of your skin's problems. Probably. I don't know, my skin doesn't have 40 problems. But this, ladies, gentlemen, people with dry, cracked hands, dry facial skin, sunburn, windburn, eczema, diaper rash. What else does it help with? Oh, burns. I've put it on my burns, like when I've been cooking and I burn like my hand. Put this on it. It's amazing. Dry, callous cuticles. Your feet, calloused feet. It also smells heavenly. It's lavender, sweet orange, and Egyptian rose. But yeah, this is like heaven sent. It's basically like a really expensive doctor ointment that's prescribed to you, but for a fraction of the price. And it does so many wondrous things. Oh, keratosis pilaris. I have it on my arms. They gone. This is like a miracle worker in a jar for your face. So those are the 3 that I use. I also really love putting this on my face in the wintertime, especially like when I got done with deer hunting, sitting out in the stand for 6 out of 9 days in the cold and the wind and the sleet. I put this on and my dry, flaky skin went away. It's amazing. Did a little bamboo renew, threw some 40 Cure on, went to bed. Amazing! So those are the 3 products. They come as a set. You can buy them individually. Oh, my hair. I swear. I'm not used to having long hair, by the way, either, people. I'm not. I'm not. So these 3 are a set. So you would get 40 Cure Creme. These are the old containers, too, so your new ones would say Lime Life. They also have a very pretty silver top, which would resemble, like, my Sotox here, where it has a silver top on top. Yeah, it's pretty. Our packaging's even pretty. But you get 40 Cure Creme, which is 4 ounces. This thing will last you forever because it's so concentrated. You don't need a lot. You also get a full jar of cream of the crop. It's the size of my palm, people. It's huge. It's the size of my face. Pretty. Isn't it? They're so pretty. The packaging. Pretty packaging matches the amazing product inside. And then obviously the last one is Bamboo Renew. So those are the 3. The 3 that you get. So you get kind of an exfoliator, the eraser of the death of dead skin cells on your body. This removes the dead, icky, dry. This moisturizes, and this heals. It's a win. I love Bamboo Renew. Like, I think I've gone through 5 of these. Because I love Bamboo Renew that much. And you can use it on everything. It's an amazing hand scrub. There's a company out there that has like a 3 or 4 step like hand thing. This got you beat. Sorry, it does. Especially these 2 together. You only need the 2 products. Get a little Bamboo Renew and then some 40 Cure Creme. So those are $94 for a set. And they'll last you forever. Is it with Oh, I need to do that. I will need to use it with the must do and bamboo, right? I'm trying to think of it. I was going to tell you the prices if you wanted individual one. Not that I'm trying to sell you, but I need to share it with you because you need this. So cream of the crop, my body cream that I use is $38. Heck, they're all $38. Oh, that's funny. Each of these individually is $38, people. It's a win. It's a steal, actually. But I meant due date. Oh, I got you. Must do due date. I remember the old name and the new name. My footsies. Oh, that sounds just heavenly. Heavenly. Yeah, I need to throw on. I was going to do a little bit more. Does anybody have questions? I know there's some random people watching me, but otherwise, you can drop questions in the comments, and I will get to you immediately. My hair needs to go get dried, and I'm not doing that on here, so other than that, I just wanted to share my tips. Yeah, put on a couple of, oh, I might go do that. That sounds nice. Yep. I'm gonna go treat myself. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off, And I'm gonna go do what Heather's suggesting and soak my feet. So if you have comments, questions, would like to order any products, please message me. Drop it in a comment. You know, I'll be around. Walk around and, oh my gosh, you're making me giggle. But yeah, I'm gonna sign off and I'm gonna go do that. So questions, comments, anything, drop it in the comments. If you're afraid of doing that on social media, you can send me a private message. Or you can head over to my website and order directly from there. ChristineCava.com. Here, can I pin it? I think I can pin it. Can I pin? Can I pin this? Pinning, afraid. Alrighty, well, I'll see you guys later, and thanks for watching.